guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know if I'm going to be doing this well. This is going to be my very first ever mukbang. And what else to start your mukbang with if not this yummy deliciousness that my hubby of life prepared for me this morning. So
you can only see his hands.
So it's a Saturday morning, and most Saturdays, especially when my husband is around, he likes, making breakfast for all of us. And his favorite breakfast to make is Indomie, eggs, plantains, and then we take with a cup of tea. So today, this is my own tea. This is like, gosh guys, I love this cowbell strawberry milk. I love it so much. So when I saw it in the store yesterday, I just had to get it. I love it. It tastes exactly like juice. And yeah, so this Saturday, today is it 20th, right? Today is 20th, and it has been raining cats and dogs since morning, and I'm very, very cold. That's why I'm not going to be taking any cold something. So let's dig in. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Oh my god, this food is yummy. Mm. Mm. Maybe this doesn't make sense, so babe.
Thank you.
It doesn't make sense.
Thank you. You're far too kind.
You can put sardine.
Yeah.
Oh shit, don't be lie. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, abasimbo. Mmm. Mmm. I don't know. I'm not the kind of person to make sounds when eating. I personally do not like hearing someone sound when the person is eating. But obviously, like from what I've learned in this street, is that when people hear the sound of somebody eating, that is when the person's mukbang video will go viral. So I don't know how to. Well, let's see when I'm editing the video. I'll know whether I'm making enough sound. So I was saying, this is the first time seeing my face. You're welcome. Come and join me. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below this video and join the channel. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Wow, no wonder they said no talking while eating. Oh my god, baby. This is what we call foodgasm.
What is mukbang?
I think mukbang is just, someone coming to come and sit down and eat food. And then we the watchers, will just be salivating in our houses.
That's wickedness.
That's wickedness, man. That's wickedness, baby. Someone just come and be eating food, and you start dreaming about the food in your house. It's my turn to prepare you guys today. Why for what they do mukbang? I don't really dey tire. Why for what they do mukbang? Oh, I beg, I don't dey tire. I'm a kind of person that I eat small. Like in a day, I can eat like 10 times in a day, but it's not going to be this big. It's going to be very, very small. Small, like every 2 hours or 1 hour. I think I should make a sound when I'm drinking. Is that how to do sound? Next one is hearing bugum, bugum, bugum. Oh my god, this milk is nice. Hey, Papa God. God bless my husband, oh. Um, do you like it? So, guys, I also want to use this medium to say a big thank you to all of you who have been wishing me happy birthday. It's still my birthday week. I'm grateful. Thank you so much for all the prayers, for all the love. Thank you, Sis Beauty by Angie. I'm going to leave her YouTube handle in the description box or on the screen. Thank you so much for the birthday gift. Thank you, Sister Blessing JJ, for the gift. Thank you. Thank you for all the shares. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for the support. God bless you all. Mm.
Are you finished?
I'm going to check if it's still in. Yes. Guys, I know it's very wrong. Like giving babies instant noodles is it's not really healthy. It's actually better to give spaghetti or pasta. But this my boy. Anytime I see you with Indomie, he go one pan. And me, I go dey give am. Even if na small, make e chop. After all, he will soon be 1 year old. So, mama take one plantain. One plantain. Oh, sorry. But that's why they give am small small. Make a child still eating. Oh my God. Baby love.
Yeah,
God bless you.
yeah, bless you.
This food is awesome. Ah, very hot. I have baby smile. No, smile at the camera. Wait, let me remove this one. Yeah.
I smell
Smile
it.
well. Yeah.
Oh, it's too big.
Guys, are you seeing how he's eating? Come and check. The fortune is he showing? Mm. Hmm. Mm. You cannot drink this one, no. This one, nah, you can't drink this one. If I put his milk now, he won't drink. Oh. Don't mind this boy. Oh my love, you want? Sorry. I take. Let me put small egg. Okay. Mm. Mm. Sorry. It's carrots. Should be used to eat carrots now. Ah, when did you start that one? Let's take eating carrots. Oh man. Mm. Thank you, Jesus. Guys, when I no veg, I don't tire. I not fit finish them. When I no veg. Hey, I'm full. Mm. Mm. Hey, Chineke. Oh my God. I am tired. Whew. Guys, I don't know how people used to go and finish their food when they bring the food. Me, I cannot continue. I have reached my last junction. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking around with me till the end of this video. Even though I could not finish my food, but I don't do mukbang. Oh God, it's been a pleasure eating with you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.